learn along with Maitri. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in machine learning, overfitting and underfitting. If you ever tried to train a model and wondered why it performs poorly, this video will help you understand the reason behind it. So let's get started. The goal of machine learning is not just to learn from data. The real goal is to make the predictions on new, unseen data. A good model should learn patterns from training data and apply them to future data. If a model learns too little or too much, problem occurs. These problems are called underfitting and overfitting. Let's start with underfitting. Underfitting happens when a model is too simple to understand the data. It fails to capture important patterns. As a result, it performs poorly on both training data and testing data. Think of it as a student who studies very little before an exam. Since they have not learned enough, they perform badly everywhere. That's exactly what an underfitted model does. Imagine a student has 10 chapters to study, but they only read one chapter before exam. Even if they try their best, they won't understand the complete subject. As a result, their score is poor. Similarly, an underfitted model does not learn enough from the data and therefore cannot make accurate predictions. So now let's talk about overfitting. Overfitting happens when a model becomes too complex. Instead of learning general patterns, it starts memorizing from the training data. It performs extremely well on training data. But when new data arrives, its performance drops significantly. The model has learned the training examples too specifically. Imagine a student who memorizes every answers from previous exam papers. Instead of understanding the new concept, they simply memorizes. If the exam question changes slightly, they struggle to answer. This is exactly how overfitting works. The model memorizes instead of learning. It looks smart during training but performs poorly in the real world. So, what do we actually want? We want a model that learns important patterns without memorizing noise. This is called good fit. A well fitted model performs well on both training as well as testing data. It understands the underlying trend and make reliable predictions on unseen data. This is the ideal situation in machine learning. So let's summarize. Underfitting means the model is too simple. It fails to learn enough from the data. Overfitting means the model is too complex. It memorizes the data instead of understanding it. A good fit lies in the middle. It captures useful patterns while ignoring the unnecessary noise. Always remember, too simple means underfitting. Too complex means overfitting. Balanced means good fit. There are several ways to reduce overfitting. First, collect more training data. Second, use a simpler model when possible. Third, apply techniques such as cross validation. And finally, use regularization methods to prevent the model from becoming too complex. These techniques helps to the model to generalize better on new data. So let's quickly recap. Underfitting means the model learns too little. Overfitting means the model learns too much and memorizes data. A good fit learns patterns and performs well on new data. Finding the right balance is one of the most important goals in the machine learning. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to learn along with Maitri. Comment your favorite machine learning topic. In the next video, we will learn about bias variance. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.